Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy along with his delegation has arrived in Japan for a week-long official visit. The Indian ambassador to Japan, C.B. George, hosted a reception for CM Revanth and other officials at the historic India House in Tokyo, Tamil Nadu. MPs were also present at the event. As part of the tour, CM Revanth Reddy is scheduled to hold meetings today in Tokyo with major Japanese organizations, including Sony Group, the Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA), and the Japan Bio-Industry Association. In the evening, the state delegation will visit the Toshiba factory.